Having trouble with a piece of hardware on Windows? A device manager can help you identify driver problems, disabled devices, and hardware errors. In this guide, I'll show you a simple way to troubleshoot common hardware issues. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results to open the Hardware Management window. Look through the categories and find the hardware you're having trouble with. For example, check display adapters for graphics, network adapters for internet connections, or sound, video, and game controllers for audio. Pay attention to yellow warning icons. These usually mean Windows has detected a problem with the device or its driver. Right-click the device and select Properties to learn more. On the General tab, look at Device Status. Windows may display an error message in code that can help identify what's wrong. Take note of the code before trying a fix. Next, open the Driver tab and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If Windows doesn't find a suitable driver, check the hardware manufacturer's official support website. If the problem started after a recent driver update, check whether Rollback Driver is available. Select it and follow the prompts to restore the previous driver. Yeah, this can help when a new driver causes compatibility issues. If updating or rolling back doesn't help, you can uninstall the device driver and restart Windows. In many cases, Windows will detect the hardware and reinstall a compatible driver automatically. If the device disappears, select Action and choose Scan for hardware changes. You can also open View and select Show Hidden Devices to look for hardware that isn't currently visible. And that's how to troubleshoot hardware with Device Manager. Check the status first, then work through drivers, hardware scans, and hidden devices. So test the hardware after each change to find the fix without changing too many things at once.